Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common problem that many MacBook Pro users may encounter. So picture this. You're trying to restore your MacBook Pro after wiping out the SSD contents while uninstalling Asahi Linux, and you run into a bit of a problem. You follow all the steps from the partitioning cheat sheet, but things just don't seem to go as planned. Your MacBook Pro just won't boot up properly, leaving you scratching your head in confusion. Sounds like quite the problem, right? Now, let's talk about the solution. Turns out, the issue lies in the way you are putting your laptop into recovery mode. You see, Apple's instructions assume you can boot into recovery, which isn't the case when you've wiped the hard drive clean. Fear not, there's a correct procedure that you can follow, and it works like a charm. Just check out this helpful video that walks you through the right way to tackle the problem. Trust me, it's a game changer. In summary, we've uncovered the root cause of the problem you are facing with restoring your MacBook Pro. By understanding the correct procedure for putting your laptop into recovery mode, you're well on your way to fixing your issues and getting your MacBook Pro back up and running smoothly. I hope this video has been helpful to you in resolving your tech woes. Remember, don't sweat the small stuff. There's always a solution just around the corner. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring those tech fixes.